There's a few different ways to add new numbers to your contact list on an iPhone. One way is to find the Contacts app and then use the plus icon on the bottom right to create a new contact. Add a name and company info if it's a business contact. And you can also add everything from contact photo to email addresses, pronouns, set custom ringtones, birthdays, etc. Another option is to do this from the phone app. Pick a recent caller from your list, tap the little info button next to their number, and scroll down to Create a new contact. Then fill in all the info you want to save for this contact. If you're more of a text message user, we can do this in the Messages app as well. Pick a thread, tap their number, and choose Create a new contact. And that's contacts on your iPhone. If you own an iPad or a Mac or an Apple Watch and have contacts saved in iCloud, all your contacts will automatically sync between all your devices. Leave a comment if you have any questions. Check out my iOS playlist for more quick guides like this, and subscribe to get quick and short iPhone tutorials straight into your YouTube feed.